What did I agree to?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam. I have some super special guests here.
You didn't give me a chance to fix my hair. I was doing it on camera.
Girl, your hair is fabulous. We have Melissa ALATORRE here with us. And we also have my little Lily over here. We actually filmed our get ready with us / make a bag swap. I can't speak because, you know, we've had a couple of drinks. We did that on Melissa's channel, so you must follow Melissa if you guys want to know how we got to this point. I'm gonna link all of her channels down below.
If you want to know about my Mexican superstition, then follow me on my channel.
Subscribe to this channel. Comment down below if you have any questions, and definitely follow Lee_world on IG. Let's do this. We are doing Lee's makeup. I am gonna be responsible for this side of the face, and Melissa's gonna be responsible for this side of the face. We're gonna use our own makeup, so I'm gonna use mine. Melissa's gonna use hers. We're just gonna beat this face to perfection.
We haven't even color matched or done anything. We're just gonna kind of like wing it. Woo, that smell.
Watching you.
Ooh, that was strong.
I'm so nervous right now.
You're fine.
You're gonna look so good.
I am gonna use my Dr. Brandt Pore Refiner Primer because I love it so much.
I don't use primers, so I'm just gonna go in with Coke and Dough because it works on everyone.
Oh my god.
It's a little dark.
He needs a good tan. Comment down below if you think Lee World needs a nice good tan. Why are you making faces? Can you just relax?
I'm not
Relax.
used to this.
Relax.
My first threesome.
Oh, you took it there. You're gonna be a little golden on this side, but
You know what I want to
it's gonna be okay.
I actually think I'm just gonna use like Tarte Shape Tape Concealer all over. Oh, that's really dark.
I'm trying to make you look like one of my bridal clients from back in the day. Where are we meeting in the middle?
right here. Boom.
Yeah.
You're ruining my side. Look at your side in comparison to my side. Lee, I'm actually trying to make you look good. I don't know what
Thank
she's
you.
trying to do.
I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer all over the face. It's gonna cover that stubble real nice.
Now I know what they mean by beating the face. Oh,
Stop
you're
it.
stabbing me with the beauty blender.
She's aggressive.
Oh.
My side matches his body. Your side is like
It matches his face.
Okay, look up for me.
Lee, you're sweaty.
Yeah,
Are
well, yeah, well, hello. This is nerve-wracking.
Okay, at the end of the video, you guys have to vote who did a better job on Lee's makeup.
I'm not used to that. I'm just not used to that.
Just trying to get in that inner corner. It's so deep in there.
I'm gentle.
You're just going in hard.
going
you
in
gotta
hard.
work me up a little bit.
I thought we were past that stage, Lee World.
What was it? 17 years?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm
Lee.
making the makeup face even though I'm not putting it on.
Miriam's just going in hard with the concealer.
Literally with the same exact product. I don't have anything as light as he
I
is.
just need to stand up a little bit. I'm gonna be like out of frame for a second. I've never done makeup on anyone sitting down. It's like weird for me.
It's kind of bizarre, right? But it's a challenge. Melissa actually has an upper hand because she's an actual makeup artist. She has done years of makeup on clients, whereas I've only done that in college.
You know, I actually lied on my resume to get like my first ever makeup job. I said I had been doing it for 10 years and I had only been doing it for like a month.
Really?
Yeah.
Liar.
Liar.
I feel like your skin looks really good. Shape Tape Nation. I feel
My
like
side looks way better.
No.
I need another shot.
It's so smooth. Can you suck in your cheeks, please?
Wait.
You don't know how to do it.
Look up and suck in.
Ooh, stop now.
I'm gonna contour your nose just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out. What are you doing?
Making a thumbnail face.
Oh, Lee, I'm giving you a jawline, like a Brad Pitt
Let me see, can you
jawline.
look up one more time?
Because I always feel like my jawline is so manly compared to Lee's. It's so strong, and Lee's is...
No, you have a really good jawline.
It's so strong. I hate it. You're wrinkling your forehead. Don't do it.
Sorry.
It's hard for me to blend it.
I gotta get Botox.
You know, we're like focused when we're like not talking.
Oh, that Kogendo is looking nice, though.
You
Ooh.
look fresh.
Yeah, he does look kind of fresh. The Kogendo does look nice.
It was literally my go-to bridal foundation on everyone.
Well, it's the foundation, not the skill.
Oh!
Burn!
My truth.
And she's fast. She's like, okay, I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm setting.
I like talk to you like how I used to talk to my clients. Look all the way up, look all the way down.
How do you feel right now, Lee?
Tipsy?
Wait, stop.
Stop what?
Everything.
I feel like your side is so pale.
Don't worry, I'm about to bronze him up. I only have a brush for like my giant face, and it's like a really dark bronzer.
Can you look this direction really quick? Yes, you look bomb. You look chiseled.
So why do you want a chisel for?
Because when you add foundation and concealer, it kind of like gives you like a really flat, even base, like a really like plain canvas, and you need to like go back and add dimension, you know?
Oh, I'm looking really Latino.
You're looking Latino, no.
I'm gonna make you like super chiseled.
Is this fun, Lee? You like it?
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, I don't know what's really happening, but
Like this.
like what?
I'm just like fanning away.
Much better, honey. It feels good.
You like that?
You look so beautiful.
So beautiful.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Oh!
Brow time.
Brows. These tools, they look so funny.
Wait, you never got my
What
brow
is this?
product. I'm just brushing them up.
I think I'm gonna use Brow Contour Pro by Benefit on Lee World in the shade Brown Black Light.
I'm just gonna go into eyeshadow and then maybe fill in his brows. Can you look down for me, sir?
Was that little trick that we learned on your channel with the little napkin trick? I'm not gonna show you the trick that Melissa did. You have to follow her and watch her on
Watch
her
my
channel.
Adding eyeshadow is so satisfying. Keep looking down.
As long as Maryam doesn't tell me to look up while I'm looking down.
Don't close. Don't close, just look straight down.
And do not wrinkle your forehead.
Because this is impossible.
So beautiful to me. Can't you see?
Bowie, help me.
No help for you. Yes, brow, come all the way through. Lee, your eyebrows are really dense.
Yeah, they're really, that's why I'm
There's-
not sure if I want to fill them in yet.
There's
or not.
like a lot happening there. Look up.
You're looking down.
Okay,
Look up.
if you're looking up, keep looking up. I'm gonna do the lower lash line then.
You are getting very, very sleepy.
It's very hard, guys.
You're doing great, sweetie. You look amazing. Look how sexy that lip thing looks. That eyeshadow though, Melissa.
Look going up.
Have you ever told someone to look down and they kind of like move their whole head like this?
Yes, I used to like yank my clients' heads up and down. I think you are looking absolutely fabulous. There's no doubt about it.
You guys have been wanting to see Lee on my channel. Here you
you
go. He's back. Comment down below if you want to see Lee or Melissa more on my channel.
Babe, what did you do? I just looked.
Look at his smoky eye. Look at his smoky eye.
Look up.
What's the look up count for you? Like, how many times have you told me to look up?
Close them.
Lee, stop wiggling.
I just got wet.
Look at his skin on camera. Look at my side.
Well, it's glowing because you added the highlight. I'm not there yet. Okay. Relax your face. Relax your muscles. Boom. I'm going for Instagram.
I'm going for bridal editorial. Honestly, doing this drunk, it reminds me that like makeup is just like a bunch of blending.
So much fun, yeah. And you know, in
Close.
true Instagram style, we're gonna give you a nice nose highlight. Boom. I like that you made him very tan, but I don't think it matches his body. Cause look, that actually matches his body, whereas that is
he
like
looks
so
beautiful.
tan.
I love how Melissa gets very proud. Like, when you
It's so good.
I think it looks beautiful. Do not tell my client otherwise.
That's really ticklish.
Look down and open your mouth a little bit.
I'm really bad at drunk makeup, to be honest.
I get more focus.
Really? You should do drunk makeup all the time.
Like I feel like I have a lot of like crease to brow bone, not a lot
No,
of lip.
yeah, but the way that you apply your shadow, you apply like
I apply it really high.
you apply it really high, so you make it look like you have a lot of lid space.
Yeah, but I don't. You
I
love
do.
it.
You're so good. She's good, guys. Go follow her.
Yes.
This is Pixie
yes.
Glitter Fairy Lights in Bare Brilliance.
We're gonna be twinning. It's the same one that I have on.
Oh my god, it's so funny. You actually did my eye look on him, and I did yours.
Yeah, that's so true.
This way, but look down.
Yeah.
But eyeball the other.
Like.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Okay,
like,
so
he's done.
here. Oh my god, we didn't highlight his body.
Body. I mean, he got all his body. We have to do something with it.
Spraying me again?
Yeah, yours is so much lighter.
It's like wet.
It's perfect for his skin tone. What are you using?
The Amrezy one.
I feel like I want to give you a cat eye.
Are my lashes still there?
Yeah. No, not up like that. Whoa, I think I'm like too drunk for liner. This is the worst eyeliner.
It's not bad.
Can you please fix it? You're better.
No, my neck can go this far back, honey.
You
Are so
beautiful.
No.
to me. This is my favorite red lip, so you better rock it.
What's wrong with you?
It tickles.
Why?
I don't know. What am I supposed to? I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Relax them out. But this needs to be fixed. What did you do here, Melissa?
You know, that's your side. I was just trying to sabotage.
That looks good.
Beautiful.
Great.
So beautiful.
Your teeth look so white.
His lips got like 10 times bigger.
Yeah, I'm giving him Patrick lips. It's fine. Fine, sweetie. It's so pretty. Why am I crying?
You guys, they're wearing the same lip. Yes. Okay, give your best pageant wave.
You look like a real makeup artist right now, just like the way that you're standing and the way that you're slouching over.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Wow.
Girl, that is hot. Oh my god, you put way too much glue. Look what's happening. It's bleeding.
What do you mean bleeding? Like, what do you mean?
You're not bleeding, it's like the
Oh.
glue.
The glue is bleeding.
Ta-da!
Dun, da, da, da.
Wow. Is this the most beautiful man you've ever seen in your life?
Mwah.
Comment down below and let us know which side you like best. This side. I mean, clearly it actually matched his skin tone, but this one is like, yeah.
It made him like
I
this,
am so
you know?
tan. I feel
Wow,
like
you look so good. It's like crazy. Look at this glow. Can we give him a moment to do a slate show?
yeah.
Go. Yes!
Woo!
Work it!
I'm gonna have another shot because I don't know what the hell's happening to
Hashtag
me.
my truth.
I've been drinking.
I've been drinking. This is like just karaoke.
Literally.
Oh shit.
You're in the splash zone. I'm winning.
Can I have the red lipstick, please? No. We have here is a rare sighting where the female is courting the male. She will attract him with her winged liner skills.
Relax it, honey.
Relax.
Just talked into my mouth. Oh,
What's wrong?
that's so weird.
Anyway, you guys, wait. This guy's almost about to leave, but before he
I
goes,
gotta go.
we want to thank you guys for
Thank you
sticking
guys.
around and for watching this crazy video. It is
In the
12:30 at night.
At night.
We're about to have another tequila shot, and we want to thank you for being awesome. Make sure you follow Melissa's channel. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys so you can see how we got to this point right here.
It's been a journey.
We love you guys. Check out some of our other videos right here. Oh, those videos, yeah. Click on them. And subscribe. And Melissa's channel as well. See you guys. Mwah.